This video is brought to you by Ruko. Hey everybody, Mac here for OCR Kings, and I wanted to share with you this fantastic little device. It is the 3-port PD65W charger from Ruko. Compact and portable, the Ruko PD65W USB charger is a stylish, compact device that fits easily into pockets and backpacks and can recharge your devices anytime or anywhere on the go. It is ideal for business travel and daily carry. It's a great space saver, taking away the need for all of these, combining them into one, and uses only one outlet at a time. This is fantastic for us when we travel, as we're always needing to charge multiple GoPro batteries and Garmin watches and have to compete for outlets which seem to be pretty limited in some hotels. It's a 3-in-1 efficient charger with dual USB-C ports and one USB-A port, allowing for efficient charging of up to 3 devices simultaneously. For instance, you can charge 2 drone batteries and the remote control at the same time. This is great for charging our drone setup, for instance, the Veeniix V11 Pro from Ruko. Links to that video in the description below. The PD65W 3-port charger offers comprehensive protection since it's equipped with an advanced safety system that monitors current, voltage, temperature, and short-circuit conditions in real time, providing multiple safety protections to ensure that every charge is safe and worry-free. It supports PD, QC, PPS, and other fast charge protocols, perfectly compatible with laptops, smartphones, watches, drone accessories, and all USB charging devices, including all Ruko drones, robots, and cars. Check them out, links in the description below. And speaking of worry-free, Ruko promises a 30-day return window if you don't absolutely love it, in addition to a 90-day warranty. And if you have any questions about the charger, you can always reach out to the folks at the Ruko support team, who are always online. So definitely check out the Ruko PD65W 3-port charger. By the way, it makes a great gift or stocking stuffer. Links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, as always, train hard, have fun.